In a shocking turn of events that's left the tech world reeling, 34-year-old Kabir of Friends Colony, New Delhi, fainted in his living room Thursday afternoon after his phone unexpectedly rang. An event believed to be the first incoming call he's received since mid-2023. Neighbors reported hearing a strange chime followed by a loud thud and rushed to find Kabir unconscious, still clutching his latest PaidMe Ultramax Pro 24. Authorities say he regained consciousness after being shown a meme on Instagram Reels. "I didn't even know these things could ring," said Kabir, holding his phone like a loaded weapon. "I just use it to watch Reels, order food, and take pictures of that food. I thought the calling app was like the fare meter of Delhi auto rickshaw, just something which is there but no one uses." The call, placed accidentally by his grandmother while attempting to open the calculator app, lasted only 3 seconds. Still, the incident has sparked a larger conversation about the forgotten feature known as voice calling, a term many Gen Z users are reportedly Googling for the first time. Tech analyst Tanuja Pandit weighed in, stating, "In the age of 600 megapixels quad-lens AI-enhanced cameras and phones that fold, flip, and brew coffee, we've perhaps strayed too far from the phone's original purpose, delivering subpar conversations filled with static and awkward silences." Major smartphone manufacturers were quick to respond. A spokesperson for Banana Inc. issued a statement Friday. "Our devices still technically support calling, though we prefer to think of them as digital lifestyle nodes with optional vintage audio chat." Rival company Galaxy Brain also confirmed that calling functionality exists, but requires users to navigate through 6 submenus and 3 software updates. Meanwhile, Kabir says he's recovering well, but has since disabled all sound notifications just to be safe. He now uses his phone strictly for its intended purpose, playing Wordle and ignoring texts from his boss.